Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can edit a landscape photo with the digital film app. So this is the photo that we'll be editing today, shot outside a plain window. It's already been imported into our gallery and we've hit edit to get into this screen. So the first thing I want to do is go through some of the presets and select one that I think suits the image. Taking a look at some of our free presets, I really like the way Fields looks because it brings out some nice pink hues from the sunrise. Now we're going to go into our editing tools to add a little bit more depth into this image. So I'm going to start by bringing up the exposure. Sometimes when you bring up the exposure, you can find that you lose a little bit of contrast in the image. So use the contrast slider just to bring some of that depth back to the blacks. With the highlights and shadows slider, I want to bring up the highlights just to matte some of the bright whites that we see in the image. Then under color, I'm going to bring up the white balance to add a little bit more warmth into the photo. And I'm also going to bring up the tint slider just to add even more pink to the image. And I'm also going to desaturate the photo just a little bit as well. And last but not least, I'm going to sharpen our photo and add a little bit of grain as well. So here is our final before and after. This is the image straight out of the camera, and this is our photo with all our edits.